Brad Kidd, and I'm at one of my favorite places, Laser Shot headquarters here in Sugar Land, Texas, and we're going to check out one of the new titles, Skeet shooting. Really excited to get going and see what this is all about. All right, play size. We're on voice command pull, which is, I'll go ahead and sight the gun in. Tighter choke, 50-50 is good for me. Pull. Look at that, man, I really like that. I executed a really nice pull from the target to the lead indicator. This has been really cool. I mean, not only is it a lot of fun, a super fun game, my kids enjoy the heck out of these systems. They've learned a lot. But beyond being fun in a game, it really is a powerful training tool, teaching me all the aspects of the game, my stance, my form, my movement, my gun control, my leads, my visual connection. So what a lot of fun and what a great way to train. I'm Brad Kidd and I train with Laser Shot. Pull.